dear students, it's time for the maths lecture. As you know that we are studying chapter 10 perimeter and area and we are on exercise 10.3. So all of you open book page number 149. Open book page number 149. Book page number 149, exercise 10.3. We already covered question 1 of this exercise, right? We have already covered. So, in today's class, we will perform the question number 2. Okay? So, read the question carefully. Question 2. Find the approximate area of the following figures. Take the area of each small squares to be 1 square centimeter. Here in this question also we need to find the area of the following figures, the same as we have done in question number 1. What steps we need to follow? We count the full squares or complete squares, then we count the squares which covers half or more than half area. And what was the note? You remember the note was that ignore those squares which are less than half. Okay, then in the end we find the sum of all these squares and this is how we calculate the area. So let us do this question. Question number 2. It is same as question number 1. Okay. Let me draw the figure first. Till then you try to count by yourself. First given figure is a heart shape and we want to calculate its area. So first of all what we will do, we will count the complete squares. How many complete squares inside the heart shape? How many complete squares? Let us count. 1 complete square, 2 complete square. Only 2 complete squares are here. So complete squares are 2. Now we will count 1 and 2. These are complete squares. Now count the squares which are covering half or more than half area. So this square is covering more than half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Squares covering more than half or more than half are how many squares covering more than half? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 squares. Now what about these two left? These area, what about these we will ignore this part. Okay, so therefore 2 plus 8, 2 plus 8 is 10. It means the area of this heart shape is 10 square centimeter. Therefore area is equals to 10 square centimeter. Note it down or take this screenshot. Note it down. I am drawing the figure for the next one. Note down this part. I am drawing the figure, then we will calculate. I hope you have noted down. Let us move to here. We want to find the area of this part. Okay, we want to find the area of this part. So first of all we will count complete squares covered inside the figure. We will count the complete squares. As I can see, there is no complete square present inside the area, so complete squares are 0. Now squares covering the area, half or more than half. Squares covering half or more than half. Squares covering half or more than half. Let us count how many squares are more than half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 squares are covering half or more than half area. And as you know that what we ignore the squares which cover less than half. So this part we will ignore, this part we will ignore, this part we will ignore, and this part also we will ignore, as because it is covering less than half. Okay, so we will ignore these parts. Therefore add both your results. 0 plus 8. 0 plus 8 is 8. So our area is 8 square centimeter. Our final answer will be area is equals to 8. As you know that we always calculate area in square units. So 8 square centimeter. This is how we find out the area for given shapes. Okay, note it down. Note down part B or take the screenshot. Okay, part C. Let us move towards part C. Let me draw the figure first. A figure is given like this, right? So, and we want to find the area inside the figure. So first of all we will count the complete squares, number of complete squares inside the boundary. So here the number of complete squares are 0, right? But here the number of complete squares are 2, 1 and 2. So I am writing 2 complete squares. Now we will count the number of squares having half and or more than half squares. So squares covering half or more than half area. Is equals to squares covering half or more than half area equals to here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squares. This part is covering half or more than half. Now we will calculate in this. It is half square. It is half square. And as we know that half plus half becomes 1. And this part is half. This part is half. Half plus half is 1. So half plus half 1, half plus half 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 squares we will consider, and from this side we will consider 2. Why? Because half plus half is 1, half plus half is 1. So 2 from here and 4 from this part. So that is why I write 4 plus 2 or 2 plus 4 we can write. So squares covering half or more than half area are 4 plus 2 is 6. Therefore, now add them 2 plus 6. Therefore, 2 plus 6, add both, 2 plus 6 is 8. So our final answer will be, our area of the given figure is, area is equals to 8 square centimeter. Note down the question number C or take the screenshot so that you can write it later properly. I am drawing the figure of question number D. Now concentrate here on question number D. We want to calculate the area, and area means the interior part of the boundary. So to calculate area, what we count? We count the number of squares. So first of all, we will count the number of complete squares inside the figure. Complete squares inside the figure. So complete squares are, let us count. 1 complete square, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 complete squares are here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right? 4 complete squares are here. Now we will count the squares covering half or more than half. Squares covering half or more than half area. So count how many squares are covering half or more than half. This first square is covering 1, 2, 3 and 4. According to me, 4 squares are such squares which are covering half or more than half. We will ignore this part. Why? Because it is covering less than half. So ignore it. We will ignore this part also because it is covering very less. This part is very less. This part is very less, so we will ignoring this part. Okay? So squares covering half or more than half are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 squares are covering more than half. Now in next step we will add them. 4 plus 5 is equals to 4 plus 5 is 9. So our final answer is area of this figure is equals to 9 square centimeter. So area of question number D is 9 square centimeter. Note it down properly. Till then I am drawing the question figure for question number E. Note down this question. Okay, now concentrate here. In this figure, let us count the complete squares. Complete squares. How many complete squares in this figure? 0. Now count the squares which covers half or more than half. So squares covering half area, half or more than half is equals to, let us count how many squares are covering half or more than half. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. See, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 squares are such squares which are covering half or more than half. Now in the next step we will add the number of complete squares and number of half and more than half. So 0 plus 6 is equals to 0 plus 6 is 6. Therefore our final answer is, therefore area is equals to 6 square centimeter. We remember we always calculate the unit of area is always written in square units. Okay, that is why I am writing SQ. In short, I am writing SQ. 6 square centimeter. So question number E is completed here. Note it down properly or take the screenshot. Now the last figure of question number F. Let me draw it, till then you note it down. question number F, a figure is given like this, okay, and we want to calculate its area. So what is area? Area means the interior part of the boundary, and interior part of the boundary is called area. And how we are calculating area of given shapes? In all questions what we have done, we are counting the number of squares, and on that basis we are measuring area. So here also we will do the same steps. First of all we will count the complete squares. Complete squares. How many complete squares inside the figure? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 complete squares inside the figure. Right? So number of complete squares are 4. Now we will count the squares which covers half or more than half area. So this square is covering half or more than half. More than half. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 such squares are there which are covering half or more than half area. So therefore squares covering half or more than half is equals to 10. Now in the next step we will add complete squares, number of complete squares and number of squares having half and more than half. So 4 plus 10. Now add both the numbers. 4 plus 10 is 1, 4, 14. Right? So our final answer will be area is equals to 14 square centimeter. 14 SQ dot centimeter as 14 square centimeter. Take the screenshot of the solution. Take the screenshot. Okay, so chapter 10 perimeter and area is complete today. What we have discussed, let us summarize first. In this chapter we discussed perimeter. What is perimeter? The total distance of the boundary, the total distance around the boundary is called perimeter. What is area? Area is the interior part of the figure. Interior space occupied by the figure is called area. Okay, so basically we discussed perimeter and area in this chapter. You know how we calculate perimeter, how we find perimeter? We find the sum or we find the total of all sides of the given figure. Okay, and to find area we count the number of squares, number of complete squares and number of half or more than half squares we count to calculate area. And to calculate perimeter we add the sum of all sides. So be remember what we do. Our chapter is complete here. Try to solve revision station which is on page number 150 by yourself. If you will solve by yourself, you will get to know that yes, you can do such kind of questions. It is very easy chapter, don't bother about it. Okay, that's all about this chapter. We will meet in new lecture with new chapter. Till then, complete your remaining work from the video lectures. Okay, no PDF will be provided. You need to complete your work from video lectures. Okay students, bye bye.